Hi guys, I have the cassava Asian Best Farm Fresh cassava, grated cassava, and I also have the scraped coconut. I have 3 or 6 egg. I have the condensed milk and evaporated milk and coconut cream, and look at that brown sugar. I am trying to make cassava cake. Here are my ingredients. It is my first time making cassava cake. Let's see. I'm excited. And I already put my oven set to 325. Alright, let's start, guys. I'm excited. I have this written the cassava. And let's put that in a bowl. Bear with me, guys. This is my first time making it. Because I love cassava cake, guys. Shout out to Miss Tay Sheila himself. She is good of making cassava cake. So I just want to be like her. Alright. Let me see. Okay, I have to check if there's some impurities, guys. You know, like the skin. The black spot. I don't want that. Alright, that looks good. It's all white. You know, sometimes it happens when you grate that cassava, there's some skin and black stuff that you cannot control it, that goes in there. Anyway, next up, okay, I just opened my condensed milk. So I have to reserve like 1/4 cup of condensed milk for the toppings. There you go. Good enough. And the rest I will put in here. I'll put everything in there. I have a cheat sheet, guys. Means I have direction. Since it is my first time making it, I don't want to mess it up. Miss Tay told me about this, so I hope I remember what she told me. Alright, I got that done. Next ingredients, evaporated milk. I use carnation. There I go. Oh, I'll put everything in there. There you go. And next up is coconut milk. I think it's sleeping, guys. So I just use a can of coconut milk because I don't have fresh one. Ugh. I should have shake it first. Anyway, let's just use this one. Let's just use this one. There! The juice, sometimes when you use something from the can, it's sleeping. So I think it is better to use the fresh ones, but I don't have a fresh one. So mostly in America, guys, we use can. It's ready to go. Anyway, I'm gonna reserve 1/3 for toppings, but the rest I'm going to pour everything here. There you go. I don't think I have enough. I think my bowl is too small. Mix it all together. And next up is ta-da! Coconut cream. Maybe open it. Shake it maybe before I have to pour it. There you go. This one is easy. See? It clumps because it's in the can. I just have to mix it up. I use dairy-free coconut milk, condensed coconut cream. I have to reserve another 1/3 for toppings. Let me go get container. Okay, I will just estimate how much is 1/3. I think that's good enough. 3 tablespoons. And then I'll mix it up here. Ta-da! I think I take so long on mixing up all it together. Bear with me, guys, because it's my first time. I have so many spoons now. That's so funny. It's not funny, but it's funny. Anyway, there you go. Next up is, of course, 2/3 of sugar. Dun-dun-dun. Sugar. Next up is egg. I have 3 eggs here. It is, let me put that down first. Oh, it's okay. Just gonna, what? I don't want to put shell on the egg in there. Go. 3 eggs plus egg white. Hang on. Ano ba yan? There you go. Put it all together. Mix it up. Maybe, you know what? I'm gonna use this. Where's my mixing? I have my mixing bowl in there. Hang on, guys. Next up, I have coconut. 1 grated coconut. A little bit. Smells like coconut. I don't know if I have to put it all. Looks like it's so much. Looks like it's so much. I guess I have to mix everything in there. This is the right one, Tay. I'm just gonna mix it all together. So maybe I should cook some more. I will cook a little bit more to make it separate one of the coconut. Anyway. Because that's a lot. I guess I have to use all of them. This is like 1 cup. I think 1 cup of that coconut. Alright, guys. Don't be like me. If you have a mixer, use your mixer. I have a mixer too, but I wasn't thinking of using it. Because I'm thinking of just using my hand. My power. Make it fun, guys. Make it fun. Since it's your first time making cassava cake. That's a lot, guys. I think this is need to be 2 big pan to cook. You know? You think my egg are already mixed? You think so? Alright, good enough. Sit aside muna natin yan, guys, after mixing well. And I have 2 pan in here. So I am going to put these in there. So I have butter, but I don't want to use the butter. So what I'm going to do is I pour a little of the vegetable oil. I don't know. You think so? What do you think? Should I use vegetable oil? Coconut oil? Ooh, I do have coconut oil. It's too late. So I'm just gonna brush my hand in there. And voila. And then I will pour. I don't know how much is. I will pour in there. Equal parts. Oh, that is so hard. Ta-da! I'm just gonna do estimate. That's a lot, guys. Oh, that's good. Okay, ta-da! Let's do it. Let's put it in the oven. And 1 and 2. And then I will cook it for at least 30 minutes or until it's not liquid anymore. There you go. For the meantime, we're waiting for the the cassava cake in the oven for 30 minutes. I am going to mix all my toppings together and mix it up together. That was the coconut, and then the coconut cream, and then condensed milk, and then mix it together. And then this is the hardest part for me. You have to separate the egg yolk. Oop. What am I gonna do? Egg yolk and egg white. Alright. Here's the egg yolk right there. Pop, 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 pop. I broke the whole half. That is so hard, guys. There you go. Good enough. And one more. I forgot. I broke the whole half again. I'm having fun with this. There you go. Here's my egg yolk. I'm gonna mix it well. I'm gonna put all my egg yolk here. Ta-da! And mix it up. Mix it up, mix it up. You can't see, guys, right? There you go. Mix it up, and then when my cassava cake is drying, like no more liquid, this is where I pour my toppings. But you know what? I made a mistake. I should have cooked the portion of the grated coconut in a separate to make it like cooked brown. Anyway, it's my first time making it anyway, so I learned my lesson. And I don't know, I haven't looked at, maybe I should look at YouTube. Right? My oven is beeping for after 20 minutes. So let's check if our cassava is dry. Well, let's see. It's still wiggling. It's not dry. So I have to put a little bit longer because it's still liquid. Go sit another like 10 minutes. There you go. Well, wait a little bit. And so for the meantime, waiting for another 10 minutes. So my toppings, I mix it all well and I warm it up. Warm it before I will put the toppings. Maybe when this is a little thicker. Okay. Alright guys, so this is not done, but there's no more liquid in the middle. So I am going to put my toppings that I already cooked, pour it on top, little by little, because I have to spread it for 2 cakes. I didn't think. I'm afraid of pulling it up, pouring it. That's funny. Okay, I'm gonna spread it out properly. All right, I am done spreading my toppings. There you go. I'll have to put back in the oven and cook it for maybe 20 minutes. If not, I'll cook it more. There you go. Experiment, guys. Ito na, guys. Luto na ang ating cassava cake. It looks good. So what I did, I put extra 10 minutes and then 5 minutes on broil to make it on the top, make it like, you know, looks good, like brownish. Looks good, but I am going to cool it down first before I try it. Yay!